Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to do a half treble crochet stitch. This is the UK version, so it's a small stitch that looks just like this, and it's one step bigger than the double crochet that I took you through last time. I hope you enjoy this video, so if you do, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So the first thing that you'll need to do is yarn over. So just wrap the wool around the hook in forwards direction until you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you'll need to go into the next available stitch, yarn over again and pull through. Then you should have 3 loops on your hook. The next thing you'll need to do to complete the stitch is yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches like so until you've got 1 loop left on your hook. So to repeat that again, as you yarn over until you've got 2 loops on your hook, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through until you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Then you've got your half double treble crochet just like so. Let me show you that again. So yarn over by bringing the wool forwards over the hook, go into the next stitch, wrap the wool around and pull through till you've got 3 loops on your hook, and you yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Your stitch looks just like so. So again, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops like so. And again, so yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. Again, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. Again, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And finally, yarn over into the end stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that is an entire line of half treble crochets, which look like so. So the next thing we're going to do is go on to the next round. So to do this, you'll just need to chain 2, which involves pulling the yarn over through the chain stitch and yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. So you've got a chain 2 like that, and then you're ready to start the next round. So to get there, you'll just need to turn over your work. You'll see you've got a stitch which the chains that you just made are almost coming out of. You'll ignore this one and go into the next stitch. So ignore this first stitch here and go into the next one. It's a case of yarn over into this next stitch, yarn over, so you've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, you've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. And it's as simple as that. So that's what you should come out with if you keep continuing. I really hope you have enjoyed this video and that you've learned something new and can now complete your first half treble crochet. If you're still having any trouble, do let me know down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But otherwise, please like, comment and subscribe and follow the other videos that I have, just so you can get to grips with all the basics of the UK crochet. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.